Hey everybody, welcome to the Carnival Breeze. This is cabin 7433. We're on deck 7 towards the aft of the ship, and it's a balcony cabin. Come on in. So you can see that this cabin can sleep up to 4 people. We have our standard bed made into a king. The third sleeping position is this couch. And then up in the ceiling, you can see the frame for the Pullman bunk. So it can be pulled down and there'll be a ladder and the 4th person can sleep here if needed. Let's go check out our balcony. So this is a standard balcony. There are 2 chairs and a small side table. And right now, a view of the Galveston port. Okay, so our cabin has a small drink fridge in this cupboard. Television and the desk area. The safe is right here. This is the type that you can either do the key card swipe or put in your own personalized code. Then we've got closet space. The first is the shelving area. And the second 2 are for your hanging items and of course our all-important life jackets. And there are some nice drawers here for storage for your extra small items. And here is the couch, which in the evening, for if you have a 3rd guest, can be made into a bed. Here's our snoozin' and cruisin' sign and our continental breakfast room service delivery menus if you want to put those out in the evening. Let's check out the bathroom. So you've got your shower with your shower gel and shampoo conditioner. Wonderful cloth shower curtain, toilet, and vanity area. And out here on the door right outside the bathroom is the thermostat. Of course, we always go click, click, click and turn it down all the way cool. So that's it for your tour of cabin 7433 on the Carnival Breeze. We hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe and turn the bell on so you get notifications of all the new videos that we put up. Happy cruising!